Hey guys, I've been getting comments about asking questions where I'm sleeping and where I'm staying, so I'm just going to show you around. This is my hammock. This is where I spend most of my time when I'm relaxing or even editing videos. I sleep out here when it's nice out time, when it's not raining. It's very comfortable. I did get a hole in my Dion not too long ago, and I had to get it fixed. But this is where I spend most of my time. There's another hammock, and you can see there's Francis up there. This is a nice tree. Many people can go up there and sit. We used to have a place you can sit there, but we've been using it for this. Raymond and his dad are actually building this as like a place to sleep and just a place to eat. We've been cooking some meals out here, and then that's our bathroom. And here's my tent, but there's the bathroom. It's just a normal Philippine bathroom. And then this is where I stay when it's raining or if it's cold. I'll open it real quick. It's just an average one-man tent. I do have a sleeping mat, but unfortunately there's a hole in it, so it no longer holds air. So I just been sleeping outside on my Dion. It's more comfortable. And it is my choice. They actually asked me to sleep inside. Raymond's mother, she always says, sleep inside, please. But I like sleeping outside. I camp all the time. At my house at home in Michigan, I'm a nature guy, so I sleep outside all the time. I'm surrounded by woods in my house, so this is nothing new to me. I do this all the time. So sleeping in my tent and in the Dion is just something I'm used to. And I'll take a walk inside in a second, but I'm just gonna show you around. I made a video about the house before, so if you wanna see that, I'll leave a link in the description or in the comments. But so I would just do a little quick walk around this time. But you can see, you know, it's just the average Philippine house. I'm not sure how all of them are, but here's the kitchen, and here's another entrance inside. And this used to be the kitchen, and then it goes inside there. And you can see there's a wall here. I'll kind of give you a brief of what happened. Their previous landowners, they gave them the okay to start building a new house in the existing spot and knock down the other one. And unfortunately, the landowner passed away, and then the new landowner said they can no longer build. So in the middle of building their new home and knocking down their old one, they said they couldn't build anymore. So unfortunately, they can't do any more with the house. This is pretty much what they're stuck with now. So there used to be a wall here, and then you know, they tore it down. And then walking this way, this is where we get our water. Walking this way, now you have to go over this into the home. So I'll just turn around real quick and show you the rest of the house. This is like the living room, if you want to call it. Here's the TV, and this is where I used to sleep. I'll show you the bench that used to be there. We had to move it outside. And this is where Raymond sleeps. And that bench used to be right here. And I used to sleep here, but as you can see, the hole in the ground leading up to the big hole in the wall, it keeps getting bigger. And their parents, you know, it's not very safe here, so their parents, they don't want me to sleep in here anymore because the wall could collapse anytime. So we don't spend much time in here. We sometimes watch TV. And then up here is where Richie's mom, Richie's dad, and their brother sleeps. I'm not gonna open and go in there, but you know, it's just like a small little room right there, and they sleep in there. So as you can see, and then in this room is just kind of where we hang our clothes, and then my bag, the guitar, and that stuff is here. And this is just where we usually prepare our meals, or this is where we usually eat with the fan. So you can see that is why I don't sleep inside. And it's my choice. They actually, Raymond and I could sleep here, but you know, I kind of like my privacy and like to sleep in my tent. It's nothing new to me. Like I said, I enjoy sleeping in my tent. I camp all the time, so it's something that I just like. So that hopefully that answers a lot of questions. I've been getting a lot of comments. Some people are actually mad that I'm sleeping outside, but I don't see what's the big deal about sleeping outside. When I go camping, I sleep outside all the time, and I like it. So I just hopefully that clears the air a little bit. So unfortunately, they can no longer build on this property, at least not up. So they are thinking about maybe getting land some over there. They don't want to go too far, just because, you know, all their families here and everything. But it's just kind of a bad situation. It's too bad because they're excited. This is their old house, and this is what they started to build new. And they just told them they had to stop building it because they're afraid, the landowners are afraid if they start to build a nice house or, you know, a better house, all the neighbors will start doing it, and the landowner doesn't want that to happen. So, you know, unfortunately, that's just kind of how it is. But hopefully that answers some questions for you. And, you know, don't feel bad for me. I love sleeping outside. I love it here. I don't have any complaints at all. I wake up every day just feeling lucky that I'm with such a nice family and good people around here. So don't feel sorry for me. I really like it out here. But everyone's gone now. Raymond's at church. Richie, her mom and dad, her brother are all taking a bath. And you have to walk pretty far to do that. So I'm kind of here alone right now, just kind of editing some videos. But I thought I'd throw this video out real quick just to answer some questions. But if you guys have any more questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. But for now, I think that's it. I'm gonna go relax in my duyan and edit some videos. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure what video is tomorrow, but hopefully you guys or stick around for that one. All right, you guys take care. All right, bye.